Octavia, I think I figured out what's going on with your calculator. It looks as if you have an 84, but it's behaving like an 83. It's got an older operating system. And the reason I come to that conclusion is when you go to one variable stat, you just hit enter again. You never see a screen where it prompts you for L1 and frequency L2. As you were watching the videos, it should have caused some concern because you never were seeing quite the same screens I was seeing. In either case, this is how you get around it. All right. If I go to stat, and there are my values in L1. These are the midpoint. These were the frequencies. So if I want to do that, I want to quit out of this. All right. Here's what you need to do. All right, because you have, I believe, an older operating system. Your values are in L1, L2. So you go to stat, you go to calculate one variable stat, and right now you're hitting enter again. All right. When you hit enter again, the calculator assumes that you're working with only one list and that those values in L are in L1. It never gives you the opportunity to say, hey, by the way, I've got frequencies to go along with these midpoints. Here's what you need to do on your calculator. You have to tell the calculator manually that your midpoints are in L1. So you go to second function, you hit the one key. That's L1. Very important. Now you got to separate that with a comma and then tell the calculator your frequencies are in L2. Second function, hit the 2 key. And now when you hit enter, you see the correct answer. That's what's going on. This is very important because as we move on into chapters 5 and 6, all right, you're going to be prompted for multiple lists. So you got to remember on your calculator, you've got to physically don't hit enter twice. When you get that one variable stat, you have to tell the calculator, hey, what list, specifically. Now, if you're using L1, L2, no problem. But maybe sometime you're putting in L3 and L5, whatever. I would suggest just using L1 and L2. I think that's what's going on with yours, and I'm surprised that you didn't see something different when you were watching the videos because on the videos, they pop up. If I open up my 84, when I go to edit and I got, let's say, two lists here, when I go to stat and I go to calculate one variable stat, you never see this. All right, you never see that at all. All you go is right there. All right, so I'm wondering if that didn't cause you concern when you were watching the videos. But in either case, I think that's the problem. You've got an 84 with an older operating system. It's behaving like an 83. Hopefully that works out for you.